picking up quick patch in this construction zone. You can hear the grinder up ahead running. Quick patch, definitely, at least on the part B, we want to make sure it's mixed up good, no settlement, so I'm going to get that little sloshing around there. So I'm doing equal parts. Actually got just a small amount. I got 2 ounces of A, 2 ounces of B. Once I put them together, I'm on the clock. Just gonna start mixing here and get my chemical reaction happening. And then what I like to do is add our texture mix to thicken it. Helps it so it thickens up. Don't use as much product. That's about where I like it. It's a colder day, so it's going to be a little bit slower, but on a hot day I would definitely want to be mixing this right in front of my repair. Because in about 10-15 seconds here I'm going to start feeling heat coming from the chemical reaction. Got about probably 10 more seconds of mixing. Now, if it was a summer day, I would be already pouring it out. Okay, I'm ready to go. We've got a crack over here that we chased out, and I'm going to start pouring it in. Start setting up in about 3 to 5 minutes, depending on what the temperature is. This floor is a little bit cool in the middle of the winter time here in Ohio, so we're in a basement situation, so it's cold, but I'm already feeling the heat out of the cup. What you want to do is overfill this. Like I said, most of the time within 10 minutes you'll be hitting it with the grinder to level it back out. Now I can't just go right over top of this with my epoxy. It's never going to bond properly when that cures out, so that's why we're going to cut it with our grinder just to get a good scratch pattern going. And the nice thing about this quick patch, it's this color right now, but when it kicks off it's going to go from a dark gray color to a lighter gray color, so I know visually that it's set up. Another nice thing about quick patch, there is no odor going on. Even when I grind it, I don't have any odor to deal with, so visually you'll see it kick off, no odor, very, very strong bond. And a 2-gallon kit is roughly $135 for a 2-gallon kit. It's a quick way to repair divots and cracks before we go over it with a coating.